In this video, I am giving you one of the most powerful technique to reprogram the subconscious mind. Are you ready for it? I am sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. Now, all of you are aware about the subconscious mind, right? It's the deeper mind where your belief system reside, right? And this subconscious mind get reprogrammed when we were like 4 years, 5 years old, and that's where lot of beliefs goes deep inside your mind, and all of them are staying there. And this subconscious mind is the governing system. It is the system that is controlling most of your life. That is why when somebody has said something, somebody has given you some negative remarks, or when something negative happened in your life, all these things goes and stays there inside your subconscious mind, and that controls your behavior, that controls your attitude, that controls your feelings. Same way, all the positive things also reside in the subconscious mind. It's not just about negative things, but all the positive things are good for you, and they are helping you. All your good things that you have, your good nature, your confidence, your leadership skill, your communication skill, you being an amazing person, all those characteristics, all those ideas, all those beliefs, everything are residing in the subconscious mind. But because those things are helping you, so we don't have to worry about them. But at the same time, your fears, your doubts, your negativities, your attitude of procrastination, your attitude of feeling lazy, your attitude of feeling sad and unhappy again and again, all these things are also there inside your subconscious mind. And most importantly, your fears, your insecurities, your doubts, your self-hatred, your self-criticism, all these things are there. The subconscious mind start getting programmed very early in life, but it is continuously getting programmed. And when somebody is giving you some negative criticism or something negative is happening in your life and you are giving too much of importance, those things are getting stuck inside your subconscious mind. That's how your subconscious mind is continuously getting programmed, or you can say reprogrammed. It's continuously getting programmed again and again and again. And if something negative is happening again, then also it is getting strengthened. And most importantly, this is the point you need to understand. Even if an incident has happened once in your life, but if you keep recalling it and playing it inside your head, then the subconscious mind is feeling that it is happening again, and it is getting strengthened inside your subconscious mind. Now, this is what you need to understand. This is the biggest mistake many people do in their life. They have failed in one thing, or they have some miserable experience, maybe in relationship, maybe in job, maybe related to money, maybe related to some exam, but they are playing it again and again every single day, even if when it is not happening. And the more you are playing, those negativities, those negative experiences are getting strengthened inside your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is thinking that this thing is happening again and again with me. For example, if you have gone through a breakup, or if you have a bad relationship, and even if right now you want to heal your relationship, or you want to manifest a new relationship, but every now and then you keep remembering and keep playing the same idea, oh, why that has happened with me, why that person has said that to me, or why that person has cheated on me, or why that person has done that to me, or why this person is not listening to me. So the subconscious mind, you are strengthening that idea that somebody is cheating you, or somebody is not caring for you, or somebody is not loving you, or somebody is not giving hope to you, or something is not going right, or you don't deserve a good relationship. Same way, if you have failed in one exam last year, and then every now and then when you are studying and preparing, and you are thinking, oh, I failed the last time, oh, I failed the last time, oh, I failed the last time. So the same thing is going inside your subconscious mind, and it is, even if you are studying, even if you are preparing for the next exam, maybe this year or next year, to become successful, but it is going deep inside your mind that you are a failure, you are a failure, you are a failure. And no matter how much you try to do it, it's not going to work for you. Same way, if you have failed in business, if you have failed in some job interviews, if you have failed in your previous business, if you failed in your something in life, you keep repeating. The more you repeat, the idea gets strengthened. Like everyone have witnessed this. At the same time, when somebody give you some negative criticism, like somebody said, oh, you don't look good, or you don't speak good, or you are not good at this thing, or you are not good at that thing, and if you accept it and keep thinking why that person has said, oh, that person has said, maybe someone else will say the same thing to me. So you accept it, and that goes deep inside your mind, subconscious mind, and that lower your self-esteem, that lower your confidence, and that lower all the energy within you. And that's when you started wondering, why am I not successful? Why am I not achieving my goals in my life? So every moment the subconscious mind is getting programmed. The question is, how can we reprogram, especially the negative parts, especially the negative things that has already programmed inside in my mind? Can I reprogram them? The answer is yes. Of course, it won't happen overnight. It will take some time, it will take some effort, it will take practice, but you can reprogram it. The good news is you can reprogram it. Now today I am giving you a very powerful technique. By using it, you can really reprogram your subconscious mind, and especially for those areas or those things where you are struggling a lot. Now this technique is called revision technique. Yes, revision technique. So revise, you have to revise it, the incident. Like for example, if you have lot of negative experience in one particular area in life, so what you are doing, usually you are recalling the negative experiences. So what you are doing, you are strengthening the negative experiences more. You know the law of attraction. Whatever vibration you release in the universe, the same thing you will attract. Like attracts like. So let's suppose if you had a breakup and you, or maybe 2-3 breakups you had in past, and you keep thinking that why I always had breakups, so you are releasing the vibration for another relationship which will come, and you again have breakup. Remember, you are releasing the same thing. Let's suppose you have been attracting the wrong people, and you keep asking yourself why I keep attracting wrong people, or why always wrong people came to my life. So you are releasing the vibration to attract the wrong people again and again and again. Same way, why am I failing in the exams? Why am I failing in the exam? You are radiating like attracts like, the same vibration. I am ready to fail again, I am ready to fail again, I am ready to fail again. So you have to revise these incidents. When you do the revision, then a new program will come. You remember few years back, we all were using those rewritable CDs, right? If some movies or some files are there and you put inside your laptop and you want to rewrite it, you can rewrite it. You can again rewrite a new song or a new movie or a new file or a new presentation over the old one. Same way we can reprogram the subconscious mind, and this revision technique will really help you. What you have to do in this revision technique is, you have to think about first 1 or 2 areas of your life where you have lot of negativities or where you are struggling, and especially think about what are the incident or what are the experiences, the baddest or the biggest negative experience that happened in those areas, which constantly keep your vibration down, or which constantly make you feel that you don't deserve it or it's not going to work for you. So every day you should give like 5 minutes or 10 minutes time. You can relax yourself. You can do it at night before going to sleep, like the sleep technique. Along with the sleep technique you can do it, or you can do it during the daytime whenever possible. But this whole technique demands you to be little relaxed and little focused on yourself, so that you could able to revise it. Now when you relax yourself and then you think about those negative experiences, those negative incidents, and first recall them, and then inside your mind revise at those incident or those experiences at a positive outcome. Like for example, if you have failed in exam, last year you failed in an exam, or last month you failed in an exam, so you know that how bad you felt when the result came, or when you realized that you have failed. So you go back into your mind and you imagine that at the point when the result came, you were succeed. You cleared the exam with flying colors. Everything worked out for you. People have congratulated you. You become very happy. So this is the thing you have to do. revise it. Of course, that exam result is not going to change, but when you revise it, now you will be ready for the next exam. Now you will be more happy and joyful while studying, because your negativities will be gone. Same way, if you have been failing in relationship and you are crying and feel like dying and depressed, then you revise that moment, that when the breakup happened and after that you were depressed, you see yourself being someone happy, being someone joyful, being someone self-loving, who is telling himself or herself that, oh, it's fine, I let go of all the negative people or the unwanted people from my life. Now I am ready for a joyful relationship. Now I love myself and I deserve a positive person, and now I am attracting the right person. You see yourself telling yourself this thing again and again and again. Let's suppose you wants to heal a relationship and it's not getting healed, and every day you are like crying and dying and thinking that, oh, why it is not happening. So you imagine that you are talking to the person is talking back to you, things are working very fine and everything is getting aligned. So you reprogram, revise the situation. Let's suppose today you are expecting an interview call for your job. You are looking for a job and you want an interview call, and today you did not receive any email or any call. So at night before going to sleep, what you imagine that, oh, today was a great day, I got 2-3 emails for upcoming interviews, I got a call from a great company that I'm definitely going to go for the interview. So imagine it. So reprogram. When you do the reprogramming of the subconscious mind, your belief, your faith will get strengthened within yourself, for yourself, and by doing this, even you can change your behaviors, change your attitude. Like for example, if you never feel confident and always you doubting yourself, so you can imagine that you are confident, you are feeling joyful, you are doing things very happily, you are doing things very confidently, you are taking care of your work, and you are emerging as a winner at work and in life. So you revise the situation. Revision is a very powerful technique, and only when you revise those major negative experiences in life, then you could able to generate so much of energy, generate so much of positive vibration, that you could able to attract amazing positive outcome in your life. So this is a very powerful process. I want all of you to use it, and especially people who are stuck in your past experiences, might be relationship, might be career, might be work, might be any area. If you are stuck in past experiences and keep repeating it, for you this technique is the most important technique and you should definitely use it. Of course, you have to keep doing it for a week or 10 days or 15 days to see massive changes. Initially, when you start revising, you will have difficulties, it won't be clear inside your mind, and that's absolutely fine. This process needs consistency and practice. Only when you do it on a daily basis, then the clarity will be better, then you could able to revise better and things will start working for better. So if this video has inspired you and gave you a new idea to do and use and how to reprogram your subconscious mind, and if it is an eye-opener for you, then do let me know in the comment section. Share this video with your friends and family members, and I'll be sharing some videos related to this technique, how to exactly use in relationship or other areas, maybe in some upcoming videos. So stay tuned and keep watching my videos. If you are new to our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, because you won't miss any further videos. So thank you. If you want to learn more tools, techniques, you can check our online academy, Awesome is a Academy. Thank you.